It is a great satisfaction to greet you and I hope you find yourself well. In today's video we will talk about the following. How to make your ex look for you. Let's find out now. If you constantly ask yourself, how to make my ex miss me and look for me, you should know that it really is possible. It doesn't matter if you broke up with him or her, or the other way around. Here the really important thing is that you have the need to see it again, and you don't want to be the one to take the first step. You're going to get him to contact you and ask you to come back. But first I must warn you that if deep down you are looking for a motivational revenge, you are not in the right place. However, if you are looking to get your ex back in a healthy, smart, and elegant way, then you are in the right place. How to make your ex miss you. Before you start, you should know that you should not condition your happiness on a certain fact. The best thing is that you try several ways to achieve it. Only then will you be able to combine all the necessary factors to make it come back. Let's see. 1. Limited communication. You don't have to communicate immediately. There is a general rule that has worked very well, and that is that you should lose communication for a minimum of 2 weeks, and a maximum of 1 month. If you do it first, you'll immediately give him the signal that you miss him, and trust me, you don't want him to know that. After 2 weeks without hearing from you, he'll wonder why you haven't called him, and chances are he's starting to get back in touch. And after another 2 weeks, you will be completely on his mind, and he will recognize that he misses you. 2. Prudent Contact. There is an old technique called zero contact, where you are basically taught how to keep your distance from your ex. So don't answer her messages or calls initially. In the first weeks it is better that you do not answer him, even if he wants to contact you. It is very likely that he seeks you out just to ease his pain quickly and temporarily. But if you really want him to look for you and stay with you, then you must know how to correctly extend the waiting time. 3. Take your time. Another good reason for you to cut off your relationship with him or her is that you must necessarily heal your wounds. If you broke up with someone, it's normal to feel mixed emotions. You're going to need time to assess the things they did wrong. But you must take advantage of this time in an intelligent way. Leave the house, do what you like, have fun with your friends. You must keep your mind occupied on other topics. Otherwise it will be very difficult. 4. New friends. Finding new friends will help you gain strength and confidence, allow you to develop and change if necessary. This will show your ex that there is life after the breakup. This hurts men and women in the deepest pride of him, since in his macho and protective subconscious, it does not allow him to assimilate that you can make a happy life without him. This will undoubtedly cause him to seek you out. 5. Start of contact with your ex. When he starts looking for you, you must be sweet and courteous. Always try to smile and be courteous. It will be like meeting again, and you know that the first impression is what he counts. In this way he will also begin to remember your best qualities, while unconsciously he will forget your negative qualities. 6. Grounded conversation. The first conversations must certainly have an important basis. And they must be closely related to emotional events that touch his sensitive vein. After ignoring your ex for a few weeks, it is important that the first conversations bring back positive memories. In this way you will reinforce the previous point. For example, you could tell him that there is going to be a sequel to this movie, and that you know how much he liked the first part. Tell him that you immediately remembered him when you knew that the second part was going to come out. It's just an idea. I hope you have it clearer. Another thing you could tell him is that you heard his favorite song on the radio, and it brought back great memories. This works like a magnet. In short, you must manage to bury the negative and bring out the positive, so that he realizes all that he is going to miss if he leaves you again. Never go after him or her. That gives him signs that you miss him, and he will see you as an uninteresting person. It is in your hands to be happy. I'm glad to tell you that you don't have to wander in the dark, hoping to get lucky. Take advantage of our experience and recover the person you love. Click on the description of this video and now access the following personalized guide. Subscribe and comment. A pleasure and thank you.